Two automation platforms, one showdown. Which one actually powers up your workflows best? On one side, we have the versatile, visual Make. On the other, the user-friendly Automate.io, both ready to transform how you work. We're going hands-on to see how they really stack up on features, ease of use, integrations, pricing, support, and more. Forget the marketing lingo. This is about what these tools actually deliver for your automation needs. We'll score each round, and you'll know exactly which platform earns the automation crown. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll compare these two on pricing, integrations, UI and usability, workflow complexity, and finally, support and community. Buckle up, because some of these might really tip the scales in interesting ways. Let's kick things off with pricing. So Automate.io actually comes in swinging with a lower entry point. Like, if you're just starting out or running a small team, honestly, you'll love how affordable it is, and the plans are super straightforward. You get what you pay for, which is kind of refreshing. Make, on the other hand, gives you this generous free tier and packs their paid plans with way more features than Zapier and some competitors, but, once you start scaling, the plans and fees get complicated, and it could get pricey. So if budget is your main thing, yeah, Automate.io takes this one, but if you need more .io takes this one, but .io actually comes in and gives you this generous free tier and packs their generous. And integrations. Oh, and here's something cool. Make just blows the doors off here. Seriously, 1,000 plus supported apps, deep API customization, HTTP modules, the works. If there's an app you love, it's probably on Make. Only thing, there's a learning curve if you want to build something totally custom. As for Automate.io, it's got your major business tools covered. Think Google Sheets, Slack, HubSpot, the usual suspects, but with only about 200 plus integrations and pretty much zero custom API work, it's definitely more limited. So Make is the clear winner when it comes to integrations. UI and usability time. Both do a decent job, but with a twist. Make goes super visual with an awesome drag and drop editor, real-time mapping of your workflows, and it's so easy to test or troubleshoot stuff. But not gonna lie, if you're brand new, that interface can feel a little overwhelming. Automate.io, it's more like you pop in and just start connecting things, almost like working in a spreadsheet. Super beginner-friendly, fast, but you lose out on that satisfying big picture workflow visualization. Make nudges ahead because of its depth, but Automate.io still feels really nice if you just want to whip up something simple. Hey, quick fun fact. Did you know Make used to be called Integromat? Yeah, the big rebrand happened in 2022, so if you see guides about Integromat, it's all the same platform. Just thought you'd want to know in case you go down a Google rabbit hole later. Let's talk workflow complexity. This is where Make flexes really hard. Loops, branching logic, error handling, scheduling, seriously, if you can dream it up, you can probably build it in Make, as long as you know the terms. That means, yeah, some homework if you're new. Meanwhile, Automate.io is much more basic. It's awesome for straight line, simple flows, but as soon as you want to add like an if-then or a loop, you hit a wall. So Make totally owns it here if you want anything beyond the basics. And last up, support and community. Here's where Make surprises. A massive global community, loads of templates, a beefy learning center, plus fast support when you get stuck. However, occasionally, you might find a doc missing when you need it most. Automate.io holds its own with nice help guides and email support, but let's be honest, the community is smaller and sometimes the responses take a little longer. So again, Make kinda stands out, especially if you like tinkering and learning from other users. Alright, let's do a quick visual check. Picture a radar chart. Make is just spiking on integrations, workflow complexity, and support, while Automate.io is holding its ground in pricing and basic usability. The differences are pretty clear, right? So, putting this all together, here's the deal. Make is absolutely unbeatable if you want crazy flexibility, mega integration options, or you're building automations for clients and need those pro features. On the flip side, if you're a small team or just want to link up your apps without much fuss or head scratching, Automate.io is honestly the chill, low-cost start. For most folks wanting to grow and get advanced, Make's the winner. But if simplicity and price matter most, Automate.io is totally solid. If this helped clarify your decision, stick around and follow for more workflow automation breakdowns. Whether you're going with Make for the power or Automate.io for simplicity, there's always more to learn and automate.